Yeah, I think they'll be.
Sweet.
Good little ride?
Yeah.
A little bit. I don't think
Choo-choo!
What'd you guys think?
I got to the other side.
Is that a good one?
Didn't I?
Okay. All right.
That's the good
Oh,
news.
is that the other one right there?
Didn't see any whales though.
not a lot of time.
No, I
thought
couldn't even see
walking
the ocean.
plank was a little,
Yeah, like,
When
okay,
we
here
were
we go.
coming here from Waimea or whatever, we come along, we seen them coming out of the water,
Oh,
so
you
we
did?
stopped on the shoreline and watched them for a while
nice.
until they came there.